This guy into the frame for extra gaming functionality. At 520 Hz, these non-scratching shoulder triggers can sense. In front of us today we have 3 bezel-less, wall-to-wall displayed smartphones that not only have a 5th generation hidden underscreen camera, but also no camera bump on the back. No camera rings, no humps, lumps, or rumps whatsoever on the back panel. The redmagic 9 Pro comes in textured sleet, cyclone, or my favorite, snowfall. I'll be giving away the 2 untouched phones at the end of this. All the cool smartphone features seem to appear on gaming phones first. The rest of Androids get them a few years later, and iPhone users will be seeing this tech for the first time around 2030. Let's get started. The sides of the phone are made from aerospace-grade aluminum, with corner triggers on each end of the frame for extra gaming functionality. At 520 Hz, these non-scratching shoulder triggers can sense your finger's touch before your finger even realizes it's touching something. The textured red gaming mode switch is metal, the circular power button is metal, the volume rocker is metal, and the fan grill is also metal. The grill leads to a sealed metal called a headphone jack. This guy eliminates phonic delays by allowing a hardwire connection for extreme gaming scenarios. Sight indeed. The bottom of the redmagic 9 Pro has our lower stereo speaker, 80-watt USB-C port, which apparently charges dual batteries inside, and also has our metal-covered dual SIM card tray with a red rubber ring. Wall display redmagic installed on this thing is 6.8 inches and has a 120 Hz refresh rate with an instant touch sampling rate of 2000 Hz. Again, the screen knows you've touched it before you know you've touched it, which means you can't blame hardware for lag anymore. The fire doesn't really have much to do with anything, but the AMOLED screen does last for about 20 seconds before going white and mostly recovering. If we crank the internal